Okay, it's a question of CAT 2023, slot 3. Now, what's given here? ABC is an isosceles triangle such that AB and AC are of equal. So these two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. AD is an altitude, so this must be 90. And we know that in case of isosceles triangle, if these two sides are equal, then the altitude which will drop on the base will be will bisect the opposite side as well as this angle also. So these two angles must be equal. Yes, and B is an altitude, so this angle has to be 90. But this is 105, so this remaining has to be 75, and this has to be 105. But this is 75 in triangle BOT. This is 75, this is 90, so this has to be 50. Fine. What else is given? I don't know the value of this angle. Now, this is 15, this is 105, this is 90, this is also 90. What else is given? B is an altitude from B on AC. This is an altitude. So this has to be 90. If this is X, then this will also become X. Yes, this is 90. But how do we get that this is 60? I don't know. This one is 90. This one is 75. So this has to be what? 15. And if this is 15, this should also be equal to 15 because in case of isosceles triangle, this altitude will also behave as an angle bisector. So this complete angle will become 30. And since it's an isosceles triangle, the remaining part will be equally divided between these two parts. So this will become 75 and this complete angle will be 75. Out of that, this is already 15. So the remaining will be 60. This is 60. So I know most of the angles here. I'm looking for what AD by B. I want AD by B. Fine. AD is a part of what? This is an altitude. B is also an altitude. The first thing which comes in my mind is what altitude are used when you try to find the area of a triangle. Now, how do we find the area of this triangle? I can write it as half of BC by taking BC as a base and AD as an altitude. There's one more way to find the area by taking AC as a base. I'll take AC as a base. And what's the altitude? It's B. When you equate these two, what do we get? I can say that AD by B must be equal to how much? AC by BC. It should be equal to AC by BC. Fine. Okay. So instead of calculating AD by BE, I can also calculate what? AC by BC. Now let's look at this value. These angles are 105, 60, 15, 75, and the answers are in terms of 15. That means I'll have to focus on this triangle, which contains 15 degrees. Not this one, but this one does not contains what? BE, AC, or BC. Look at this complete triangle. In triangle BEC, since all the options are in terms of 15, I'll try to use this angle 15. In triangle BEC, can I say BE by BC? BE by BC must be equal to what? Cos of 15. Since I need BE here, that's why I'm writing BE by BC is equal to what? Cos of 15. Okay. Or BE becomes how much? BC cos 15. Let's take one more triangle. The remaining half, ABE. In triangle ABE, can I say B by BC? In triangle ABE, B by AB can be used here. BE by AB. How much? Cos 60? I can say cos 60. So what's the value of BE from here? B will become AB cos 60. And what is cos 60? It's half. Now, these are the two values of B. Can we equate them? Let's try to equate them. From here, I got B is equal to BC cos 15. From here, I got B is equal to AB. Let's write AB here. AB into half. Yes, so I'm looking for what? AD by BE. I'm looking for AD by BE. How do we equate this? AD by BE. This is AB. This is BC. Can we say AB by BC is equal to 2 cos 15? I want AD by B. And I also know that AD by B was equal to AC by BC. But I got AB by AC here. AB by BC instead of AC. It's an isosceles triangle. So we know that AB can be replaced by what? AC. So effectively, it's a value of AC by BC here. What is AC by BC? It's 2 cos 50. So the correct answer has to be third option.